Everything in life has a designated space, a defined boundary. Yet, when we dare to step beyond these set confines, that's when we open the door to a realm of uncharted possibilities. Welcome to the journey of openness, where distant places feel closer than ever, and where exploration knows no bounds. The refined details hidden in the robust exterior make their way into the sophisticated interior, opening a special door to limitless experiences. An unexpected encounter in a vast new frontier. We embark on roads less traveled in order to expand our perspectives, leading us to an infinite mosaic of new experiences. Ordinary moments become extraordinary. As we behold the everyday tailgate space expand into a unique snapshot of delight. Here we have a space where we converge. The tailgate blossoms into a terrace. It crafts a tapestry of shared moments. Here's to deeper, more meaningful engagements. Bridging the inside and the outside. Thriving in bustling cities and the great outdoors. Effortlessly crossing between their boundaries. Open a new chapter of your life to experience more. Open for more. Santa Fe.